Hi, it's Steve from Part Select. Do you have a refrigerator that has a lingering smell that you can't seem to get rid of? In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to properly clean that refrigerator and get rid of those odors for good. Now, a bad smell in a refrigerator is almost always caused by food that has gone bad or spills that have not been cleaned up. So if you haven't already removed the spoiled food item, that's the first thing you'll need to do. Now, typically that won't eliminate the smell altogether. Understanding how a refrigerator works will go a long way to understanding how to get rid of the smell. Any refrigerator, whether it is a side-by-side model such as this, a French door unit, bottom freezer, or top freezer, all of these refrigerator styles will circulate air from the freezer through the fresh food compartment and back into the freezer continuously as long as the refrigerator is running. So any odors that occur in your refrigerator typically get distributed in both the freezer and the fresh food compartments. Now, the plastic lining of your refrigerator can absorb those smells if they're severe enough. So our next step after we remove the offending item is to do a thorough cleaning of your refrigerator. To begin the cleaning process, we're going to start by removing all of the shelves, and then we'll clean those individually. Now that we've got our shelving cleaned and rinsed and drying, we're next going to tackle the interior of the refrigerator. The plastic liner of the refrigerator and the doors can absorb those odors, so we need to give it a really deep scrubbing. Now, when cleaning the interior of the refrigerator, be sure to get into all the cracks and crevices as well. Now that we have the interior of the refrigerator completely cleaned, we next need to rinse it well. You can choose to just use water, but we suggest that you use water and a bit of cleaning vinegar or white vinegar mixed with it. Probably about a 10-to-1 water to vinegar ratio. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice to that to give it a nice smell. Once we've rinsed everything thoroughly, we'll allow that to dry completely, and then we'll put our shelving back in. Now, we'll also want to add some odor absorbent to remove any of that lingering smell that may be in there. One of the best items that we've found is to use baking soda. Simply sprinkle some on a small plate or dish. The more surface area you have, the better, and then sit that somewhere in the direct airflow inside of the refrigerator. You may also choose to use some fresh coffee grounds. Again, simply place them on a plate, and we'll set that somewhere in the direct airflow inside of the refrigerator on a shelf. Alternately, you may choose to use some activated charcoal. Most of these products are available in local hardware stores or grocery stores. Anything that has an activated charcoal in it, again, set that somewhere in your refrigerator where in the direct airflow will absorb those odors that have built up over time. Now that we have your refrigerator back up and running, we're going to monitor that for a couple of days. If after a few days you haven't noticed the smell disappearing, the problem may be a little bit deeper. There is always that possibility that the odor is coming from the evaporator area in your freezer, in which case we suggest that you use a professional to do a proper cleaning on that component. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that some of these tips will help get rid of the odor in your refrigerator. For more videos on appliance repair, maintenance, and cleaning tips, be sure to visit our website. And if you have any favorite cleaning tips, be sure to share them with us in the comments section below. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.